29 मे मेरेन IMDन गोंया खातीर ऑरेंज अलर्ट जारी केला, जाल्यार 30 आनी 31 मायाक येल्लो अलर्ट. पुराय गोंया सयत कर्नाटक, महाराष्ट्र, मिझोरम, मणिपूर, नागालँडाच्या कांय भागांत नैऋत्य मान्सून दाखल म्हूण हवामान खात्याची माहिती. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Myself, Dr. Arlolan. The conditions are favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon into some more parts of central Arabian Sea, entire Goa, some parts of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, some more parts of Karnataka, remaining parts of Tamil Nadu, some more parts of western central and north Bay of Bengal, and some more parts of northeastern state and some parts of sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim during next 2 to 3 days. The depression over Madhya Maharashtra moved nearly eastward and weakened into a well-marked low pressure area and lay over south Madhya Maharashtra and adjoining areas of Marathwada and north interior Karnataka at 5:30 hours of today, 25th May 2025. It is likely to move slowly eastward during next 24 hours and weaken gradually. A western disturbance lies as upper cyclonic circulation over North Punjab and adjoining Jammu Kashmir at a 3.1 km above mean sea level, with a trough lot at middle and upper tropospheric westerlies with its axis at 5.8 km above mean sea level, roughly along 75° east to the north of 26° north. Under that influence, today's temperature has fallen over Delhi during 1:30 a.m. to 2:30 a.m. The Safdarjung airport has fallen down 10 degrees Celsius and Palam reported 7-degree fall, and Pusa reported 11-degree fall, and Pragati Maidan reported 10-degree fall, and Loji Road reported 8-degree fall. The past 24 hours rainfall observed over Delhi at different stations. Safdarjung reported 81.4 mm, Loji Road reported 69 mm, Ridge reported 69 mm, Palam reported 68 mm, and IR Nagar reported 37 mm. And also gusty wind associated with thunderstorm reported during 1:30 to 3 hours IST over Delhi. Safdarjung reported 82 kmph and Palam reported 72 kmph, and remaining Pragati Maidan reported 76 kmph. Remaining are listed in this table. The maximum temperature observed over yesterday's, we have seen that 34 to 40 degrees Celsius as seen over the northwest India, entire northwest India, with the maximum gone up to even 42 degrees Celsius highlighted over the western Rajasthan, and also over the east coast also observed a maximum temperature up to 38 degree to 40 degrees Celsius, which are also highlighted in the orange color. The day 1 warning has been shown here. The red warning has been issued over the Kerala, Tamil Nadu, South India Karnataka and coastal Karnataka for the extremely heavy rainfall. Also heavy rainfall orange warning has been issued over the Konkan Goa and North India Karnataka and Maharashtra. And red warning has been issued over the West Rajasthan for the extreme winds, also heat wave and then thunderstorm. And orange warning has been issued over the East Rajasthan for the extreme wind, heavy wind, and also over the heat wave and then thunderstorm. Orange warning also issued over the Bihar and then Himachal Pradesh for the thunderstorm and rainfall activity. Thank you.